Okay, namaste and good morning and welcome to you all here in our radio educational program, which is sponsored by Nepal Police School, Gaura Tahat, with media partner Radio Madesh Masla 106.4 MHz. Okay, students, here I'm here with class 2 maths, and today we will learn in class 2 about increasing and decreasing numbers, okay, or increasing or decreasing orders or arrangement of the numbers. Yes, suppose here increasing order, okay, or we can say that ascending order. Yes, students, ascending or increasing. Yes, these both are the similar meaning. Yes, where, as we know about increasing, okay, when the series of numbers, okay, or the order of number is written in the form of, okay, or if it written from a smaller to greater, yes, such type of arrangement is known by increasing or ascending arrangement or order. Or that means when we give the order of the numbers, yes, from a smaller to greater, okay, such is known by increasing or decreasing order, sorry, increasing or ascending order. So for example, suppose students, we have given here, sometimes we have given the questions like this. Yes, arrange the given numbers in increasing order. Yes, and we have given the numbers like that, okay, 8, 5, 10, okay, 6, 13. Yes, so students, here look, we have the questions, arrange the given numbers in increasing order. Yes, and we know to arrange the numbers in increasing order, yes, we should write the numbers from a smaller to greater. Yes, so for that, as you learn, okay, about the smallest and greatest numbers, yes, so by that we can find, okay, from this number which one of the number is greatest and smallest. Yes, easily. So for this we find the smallest number from these 5 given numbers. Yes, So we have given number 8, 5, 10, 6, 13. Yes. So since we can find this easily. Yes, the smallest number. No. So here we have the smallest number 10. No. No. Yes. The smallest number in these 5 numbers. Okay. Yes. Here we have 5. Yes. 5 is the smallest among these all. Yes. So to write the ascending order or increasing order is here increasing order is equal to, yes, we should write the number in increasing order from smaller to greater. Yes. So here, no, we've got 5 is the smaller among these 5 numbers. Yes. So we should write 5 at first. Yes. Then 5 is cancelled from there. Yes. Because we have written here 5. Yes. Then we have left 4 numbers. Yes. From these 4 numbers, again we should select the smaller number. Yes. The smallest number. Which one is the smallest among these 4 numbers? Yes. So we can find here. Yes. After 5, it will be 6. Yes. So 6 is what? 6 is the smallest number. Yes. So then after we can write 6 here. Yes. After 5 we can write here 6 and cross the 6 because we have written the 6 from the numbers. Then we have left 3 numbers. Yes. 8, 10, 13. Yes. And from these 3 numbers we should again select, okay, the smallest number. Yes. So from these 3 numbers, which one is the smallest? Yes. After 6 we read 7. Yes. There will become 7. Then after 8. Yes. Then after 9. Then after 10. It means we can find that 8 is the smallest among these 3 numbers. Then after 6 we can write here 8. Yes. Then after, okay, we have left only 2 numbers. Yes. Which one? 10 and 13. So we can cross the 8 because we have written 8 in the order. Yes. So here from 10 and 13, which one is the smallest? Yes. 10 is the smallest because 10 comes before 13. Yes. Yes. Then after, which one number is left there? We can copy that number here. Yes. So the increasing order of the numbers 8, 5, 10, 6, 13 is what? 5, 6, 8, 10, 13. Yes, students? Yes. In this way we can arrange the different numbers, yes, different sequence of numbers in increasing order. In the same way, okay, sometimes we may have the questions like this. Okay, question number B here. Yes, suppose sometimes we have given here, okay, 73, okay, 42, okay, then after suppose 35, okay, 64, okay, 89, yes, okay, 98, yes, in this way. So students, again in these 2 we should find first the smallest number. Yes, smallest among these all, to write this number in ascending order. Yes. So increasing order, to write these numbers in increasing or ascending order. Yes. First we should find first, yes, the smallest number. That means which one is the smallest number? First we need to find from the here. Yes. So here we can find. Yes. So now tell me which one is the smallest among these all? Yes. Yes. Here first one is 73, then after 42, then after 35, then after, okay, 64, then after 89, then after, yes, 89. Yes. So students, to find the smallest number, again we can first compare their first number. Yes. So first there in 73 there is the first number is 3, then after 42 2. Yes. So here we can find 3 is greater, then after 5 is greater in 35, then after 4 is greater by 2. Okay. And then after we compare their second number, that is, yes, in 73 there is given 7 at first. Okay. Then after 4 which is smaller by 7, then after 4 3 which is smaller by, yes, 4, then after 6 which is greater by 3. then after 8 which is also greater by 3, then after 9 which is also greater by 3. Yes, so we can find this easily, that 35 is what? 35 is what? A smaller number. Yes, among these all. So we should write 35 at first. In this way again we should find, okay, 42. Okay, 42 is the smallest number among these 5. So 42, after 35 we should write 42 and cross 42 from the sequence. Okay, then after, yes, after 42 we have left 73, 64, 89, 98, these 4 numbers. Yes, among these 4 numbers we have, which one is the smallest number? Yes, among these 4 numbers, one is 73, another is 64, another, then after 89, then after 98. Yes, among these all, yes, 6 is, that means 7, 6, 8, 9. Okay, among these all, 6 is smaller. Yes, so then after we should write 64. Yes, 64. Yes, then after, yes, after 64 we have 73. Yes, 73. Yes, then after what? 89. Yes, and then after 98. Yes, so friends, okay, whatever the number are given, yes, but we can find, okay, the smallest or greatest number in this way, and also we can arrange the given numbers, okay, in an increasing order in this way, yes, separately, okay, by choosing the smallest number and start the number, yes, with increasing, yes, from smallest to greatest. Yes, then after, yes, our today's second topic that we will discuss on, that is, yes, decreasing order. That means descending order. Yes, decreasing order. Yes, it means descending order. Decreasing order, it means descending order. Yes, decreasing, it means descending order. Yes, so students, here we have, okay, these numbers or this order of number is just opposite to, yes, just opposite to increasing order. Yes, in increasing order we write the given sequence of number from smallest to greatest. Yes, but in this order we should write, okay, we should write the number from greater to smaller. Yes, so here suppose sometimes we have given questions, okay, here, okay, question number A, 9, 7, 5, 13, yes, 11. Yes, so we have the given number, okay, or sorry, first we need to write the questions. Okay, so here we have given questions. Yes, arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Yes, students, we may have the questions. Yes, arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Yes, so for this, okay, we have given, okay, questions, okay, 8, okay, then after maybe 13, okay, then after maybe 7, then after maybe 11, yes, then after maybe, okay, 6. So just we may have given this type of questions. Yes, and for this we should first select the, yes, as we know, to write the decreasing order of the given numbers, first we should, okay, find, okay, the number which one is the greatest among these all. Yes, so students, so first upon, okay, we should write here like this, okay, decreasing order. Yes, and then after we should select the greatest one from these given numbers. So we have given 5 numbers. Yes, from these 5 numbers we should select the greatest one. So among these 5 numbers, first one is 8, then after 13, then after 7, then after 11, then after 6. Yes, among these 5 numbers, the greatest number is what? 13. Yes, so we should write 13 at first. Yes, and cross the 13. Then after which one number is the greatest? Yes, so then 13, 11 is the greatest. Sorry, yes, 11 is the greatest. Yes, then cross 11. Then after we have left 8, 7, 6, these 3 numbers. Among these 3 numbers, okay, the greatest one is what? 8. Yes, so we should write 8. Then after, yes, we should write 7 because 7 comes 7 is the greatest among 6 and 7. Then after we should write 6. Yes, so students, don't be confused. Okay, you can arrange this, okay, or you can find the smallest or greatest number first. Yes, to arrange these numbers. Then after, okay, if you find the greatest or smallest one by one, then you can arrange the given numbers, okay, according to their ascending or decreasing order. Yes, so in this way, we may have sometimes let's take other examples. Okay, suppose say 32, okay, 21, okay, then after, okay, 56, okay, then after suppose, okay, 93, okay, then after suppose, okay, 49, okay, then after suppose there may be 84. Yes, so students, listen here carefully. We have given the questions or sequence of number. Yes, in question will be that 32, 21, 56, 93, 49, yes, 84. Yes, so students, first we should select the greatest number. Yes, okay, so here decreasing order is equal to here. So while writing the decreasing numbers order of these numbers, okay, we should first select the greatest number, okay, from these all. Yes, so we can find here, yes, among these all, first one is given 32, 90, 21, 56, 93, 49, yes, 84. Yes, so students, here we can compare these numbers. Yes, in the same way, we have given here like this 32. Yes, then after 21, 56, 93, 49, 84. So can you tell me which one is the greatest number among these all? Yes, yes, so 93 is the greatest number among these all. So we can write 93 as first. Yes, then after, yes, we can select the second, okay, second greatest number. So after 93 we can write here 84. Yes, 84. Yes, then after 84 we have 56. Okay, from the remaining number which is greatest, so we can write here 56. Then we have left 32, 21, 49. Yes, so among these 3 numbers, 49 is the greatest number, so we can write after 56 49. Yes, then after 32, yes, 32, and then after 21. Yes, 21. Yes, so in this way we can find, okay, the increasing and decreasing, or we can arrange the numbers in increasing or decreasing order. Yes, I hope you are understanding. Okay, so now this I'm going to, okay, assign your homeworks for today of class 2 here. So write your homework. Your first question is like this: arrange these numbers in increasing order. Yes, and you have given questions as like this: 6, 5, okay, 9, 8, okay, 4. Then question will be 27, 25, 41, 35, okay, 83, okay, then after, okay, 56, okay. So and second number questions, arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Yes, so students, here we have the questions like this. Yes, 5, 9, 6, 4, 2. And question number B, we have given 93, okay, 82, 78, 69, okay, 58, okay, then after, okay, 65 also, okay. So we can find, I hope you will do these homeworks, yes, perfectly. And after this much, now this is the time to leave class 2, and this is the time to take short break, okay. So we will be here after this short break, okay. Keep listening these programs on Radio Madras Masla 106.4 megahertz. We will be here right back.
बड़ा लम्बा चौड़ा क के बाजार में चलत बाड़ा।
लुंगी उठा के न चलू बाबा, सिर के चलते तो चलाहो न होता हो, तेकर इलाज न करावे के कथी कहियो हो, चीर फाड़ से तो बड़ा डर लागले हो, ते इतना दुखी कहला होई छा, तोरा चल जाए के चाहिए ज्योति स्वास्थ्य कल्याण केंद्र मेन रोड गरुड़ा बाजार में, जहाँ बा बिना चीर फाड़ के बाबा सिर के खाली दवाई से गारंटी के साथ इलाज कर जाले। जी अपने भी हाइड्रोसील बवासीर या भगंदर से परेशान थे तो हई सुनू, बिना चिटफाड़ के गारंटी के साथ शर्तिया इलाज, जैसे हाइड्रोसील में अंडकोश बढ़े के, अंडकोश में पानी होनाई, बवासीर में पैखाना के माध्यम से खून बहे के, पैखाना करे के समय में मलद्वार बाहर आवे के, दर्द होए के, वैसे ये भगंदर में नाली में घाव होए के, दर्द होए के, आ पीप बहे के,
जितना भी पुराना या बड़का होए खाली दवाई के द्वारा गारंटी के साथ इलाज कर डाले। आ महिला रोगी के लिए नर्स के द्वारा इलाज कर डाले। रोगी देखे के समय हर एक दिन सवेरे के 8 बजे से सांझ के 7 बजे तक। परामर्श फी रु 150 मात्र।
तब अपने सभी इलाज के लिए लेने उन्हें न भटकू, सीधा संपर्क करो ज्योति स्वास्थ्य कल्याण केंद्र मेन रोड गरुड़ा बाजार जाए वाला रास्ता में, श्री माननीय कृष्णा यादव जी के मकान के ऊपर का ताला में। डॉक्टर तपेश्वर जी, मोबाइल नंबर 980171 आज सहायक डॉक्टर टीके वाला।
विश्व भर महामारी के रूप में देखा पड़ल कोरोना वायरस के संक्रमण के नियंत्रण करे खातिर नेपाल सरकार तथा सरकार वाला निकाय से जारी कल गए नियम आ आग्रह के सबके मिल के पालना कइल जाओ।
भीड़ भाड़ ना कइल जाओ, अति आवश्यक काम बाहे घर से बाहर ना निकल जाओ।
कोरोना जहाँ आ जौना भी अवस्था में हो सके के भइला से अपना कोरोना ना हुई आ यहाँ कोरोना ना आई कह के धारणा ना रखल जाओ, सजग आ सतर्क रहल जाओ।
अभी तक कोरोना से ज्येष्ठ नागरिक सब बेसी प्रभावित भइला से अपन अपन घर में रहल ज्येष्ठ नागरिक के विशेष ख्याल कइल जाओ। मास्क लगाओ जाओ, कोनो भी चीज छुअला पर आ घर से बाहर गइला पर अनिवार्य रूप से साबुन पानी से हाथ धोल जाओ। साबुन पानी से हाथ धोए के ना मिलला पर गुणस्तरीय सैनिटाइजर के प्रयोग कइल जाओ। कोरोना संक्रमण संबंधी कोनो भी सूचना, शिकायत या जानकारी बात प्रदेश नंबर 2 सरकार अंतर्गत सामाजिक विकास मंत्रालय से उपलब्ध करावल टोल फ्री नंबर 041 590414 में तुरंत खबर कइल जाओ। सामाजिक विकास मंत्रालय प्रदेश नंबर 2 जनकपुर धाम द्वारा जनहित में जारी कइल गइल संदेश।
The voice of मिठाई रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Okay, namaste and welcome you all back, okay, on our radio education program. Okay, here I am here with class 3 maths. Okay, so students of class 3, listen carefully. Okay, concentrate your mind here. Okay, here as we know about our topics or exercises, that before or in our previous classes we had already discussed about different on the different topics like in plane shapes. Just in plane shapes we discussed on different topics, that is triangle, rectangles. Similarly today we have a square. A square. So as you know, students, yes, I hope you know about the square. Yes, so students, for a square we can let some examples of squares. Suppose if you have any type of figure or instruments or things whose all the sides are similar or equals, in your view, if you think its all the sides are equal, or if you measure their sides with your scale, that we know a scale is used to measure the length of the sides of any objects or any straight lines. Yes, so you can use your scale to measure the sides or lengths of your objects that you have. If there if it's all the sides are equal, if you find these things, then you can suppose your things that you have is a squirrel or a square set. Yes, so suppose, yes, I think you may have seen, yes, kite. Yes, if we talk about kite, the shape of the kite is also a square shaped. Yes, because if we talk about only about their length of their its sides, so we can suppose a square shape as the kite, because kite has also the shape the sides of kites are equal, and also we can let the example of the handkerchiefs, hanky that you use. The handkerchief or hanky is also made in the shape of a square shape. So you can let such type of example for this. I'm going to draw a figure here. So students, here I have drawn a figure here, and I'm going to define a square here. So we can define it like this: a closed figure bounded by 4 line segments, is called what? A square. Students, here if we talk about a square, so we can define it in the same way. That is the definition of rectangle, but each has some change. Its property are different than the rectangular properties. Yes, so in this also the figures should be closed, yes, and connected to each other. Yes, and that should be formed by 4 line segments. Yes, so here the figure that I have drawn here, it is drawn by 4 line segments. Yes, these are the line segments. Yes, suppose we have 4 lines segments, suppose by the name A, B, and then after suppose other B, C, then other will be suppose C, D, and other will be maybe A, D. So students, as we know, we have learned this already, in the type of line segments. There are 3 types of line segments, and there are also three types of line segments. They are, okay, vertical, horizontal, and slanting line segments. Yes, according to that, we discussed about vertical and horizontal line segments. Yes, with the figure of a square and rectangle. Yes, so rectangle and squares are made by using line segments vertical and horizontal. Yes, so we need, as we know, our square has 4 line segments. Okay, so from that 4 line segments we need, okay, 2 vertical line segments and 2 horizontal line segments. Yes, so that here I have drawn, okay, or I have taken here, okay, 4 line segments by naming one line segment AB, other BC, other CD, and other AD. Yes, so students, the point of 2 line, okay, one point from the 2 lines should be common. Yes, so here we have let here AB in a line AB and AD. A is common in the same way in line B, AB and BC. B is common in the same way line BC and CD. C is common in the same way AD and CD. D is common. Yes, so friends, when we add these 4 line segments, okay, we got a square if their lengths of, okay, measurement of their lengths are equal or same. Yes, so when we add these line segments with each other, that means when we bond these line segments with each other, okay, it forms like this, and by the name, okay, when A common, so we should write only A, then after B common, so B, C, D. Similarly, okay, we form the figure as and by the name of, or by the vertices of A, B, C, D. Yes, as we learn about vertices and angles and corners and sides of different figures. Yes, so in this also we can form different type of, okay, of different measurements of okay, square in this way. Yes, students, so here look here, okay, we are going to write or discuss about their properties. Yes, in the first property we can write here, it has 4 line segments. Yes, it has 4 line segments. So since we can find it in that easily, that it has 4 line segments. Yes, A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, C. Yes, in this way we can find it has 4 line segments. Yes, in second property we can write all the sides are equal in length. Yes, so friends, here, okay, again its a property, okay, is all the sides are equal in length. Yes, so the length of the sides of a square, okay, are in equal lengths. Suppose, okay, if AB is 2 centimeter, okay, it means what? BC is also 2 centimeter. Yes, in the similarly CD is also 2 centimeter. In this way AD is also 2 centimeter. It means whatever the length of one side, okay, it is equal or is the same length of other remaining 3 sides. Yes, yes, if their all sides are equal in length, then only we can call the figure is, okay, of the given figure is of a square. Yes, in the same way, yes, in third property, okay, it has, okay, 4 angles. Yes, angle, that means you can say that corners. Yes, you can say that vertices. Yes, so we can find it has 4 angles, corners or vertices. Yes, in this way here. Yes, when we join these 4 line segments, okay, one by one. Yes, so suppose when we join AB and AD, the figure formed like the angle forms. Yes, angular. Yes, that we have learned already in our previous classes. So here the line is DA and then after B. Yes, so as we learned, where the meeting point of 2 line segments is especially known by the vertices, vertex, okay, corners and angles. Yes, so here we joined here 2 line segments one by one. Yes, so here it forms 1 angle when we join 2 lines. Then after again, yes, we are going to join line AB, yes, AB and BC. Yes, when we join line AB and BC, it again forms the corner, yes, and the vertex, yes, that is angles, yes, that because the 2 lines meet at a point, and when 2 lines meet at a point, that point is especially known by the corners, and it meets at a point here, so this is also a corner. In the same way, when we join, okay, or a 2 line segments like this, yes, and that lines are A, B, C and S, C, D. Yes, then again it forms a corner. In the same way, again we join AD and okay, CD, then again it forms a vertex or corner. Yes, that is we can find here. Yes, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Yes, and the vertices A, B, C and D. So we can find that it has 4 angles, and they are what? A, B, C and D. Students, be careful here, okay, and listen carefully here. So in this way we can find, or we can say that a square has 4 angles, 4 corners and 4 vertices. Okay, in this way, let other discuss another property. Yes, so this other property, okay, is, or that means 4th property of a square that we need to discuss here is, okay, all the angles, okay, are equal and of 90 degree. Yes, 90 degree. Students, be careful here, as we learned that these things in, okay, rectangle also. In rectangle, all the angles are equal and their measurement is also 90 degree. In the same way, in a square also, okay, all the angles are equal and the measure each of them is of 90 degree. Yes, so when we measure the angles, as we as we find the angles, okay, so when we measure these 4 angles, okay, which by using protector, okay, or with the protector, then we can get its measurement, okay, as, okay, and of 90 degree. Yes, so we can, okay, we can say that its all angles are equal and each of them are of 90 degree. Yes, so for here, okay, we have this much, okay, for property. Okay, by this way I hope you will solve the different questions relating, okay, the square, and now we are going to discuss on the questions. Yes, so students, as you know about the vertices, angles, sides, corners, okay, and the name. Yes, as you know, okay, whatever the letters are using in the while, okay, giving vertices of the figure. Yes, such all letters, okay, should be taken, okay, to write the name of angles. In the same way, here also we have given a figure. Yes, we have given figure, okay, let's draw it clearly. So here, okay, I have a figure by naming A, B, C, D, yes, and each of them are of 2 centimeter, and we have the questions. Okay, we may have the questions like this. Okay, name of a square. So name is equal to what? Okay, we should again use the symbol to write. Okay, to denote the figure is square. So again, okay, what we used similarly, we use in triangle. Okay, to write the name of triangle. Okay, in the triangle shape. Okay, in the same way in rectangle shape. In the same way, while to write the name of a square, we should use a square shaped, okay, or a small square, okay, to denote. That means this is a square. Yes, so here a square, and there are given 4 vertices. That means A, B, C, D. So we can copy these all letters A, B, C, D, and don't forget, okay, that we should only use the capital letter, okay, of English alphabet to write, or to write the name of figures. In the same way, to denote, okay, the vertices of, okay, any figures. In the same way, okay. Then after, you may have the questions, okay, sides. Yes, in sides. What are the sides that are given in the figures? Yes, we can find this easily, that this square figure has, okay, 4 sides, and they are, yes, we join one by one 4 sides, then it forms a square, and we join here AB, then BC, then CD, then AD. Yes, so friends, we can find that easily, that it has 4 line segments. Yes, and they are also called their sides, and they are AB. Again, don't forget to write capital letter to write its sides. So AB, then after BC, then after CD, and then after DA or AD you can write. Yes, but we should always, okay, don't forget to write the name or sides, okay, or don't forget alphabetical order to write this type of things. Yes, in the same way, after writing this sides name, yes, AB, BC, CD, and AD, okay, then we may have the questions like this, okay, vertices. Yes, friends, we may have the suppose next questions vertices. That means we need to write the name of vertices that is used in the square. Yes, so we can find here, okay, there are 4 corners, okay, that is A, B, C, D, which is also called vertices. So we can write here is A, B, C, okay, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so students here yes, then after, okay, it may be questions to us that angles name. Yes, angles. So when we write, okay, the angles, we should only take, okay, only 3 letters, okay, from the vertices. Yes, so here now we are going to start the angles name from A. So A, B, C. When B here in the name, B comes at middle of the 2 letters, that means A and C. Yes, that's why B is the angles. Yes, that means they are denoting what, this is the angle B, because B comes at the middle of the 2 letters. Yes, so we are going to write angle B here first. So we should give the sign of angles, then again write A, B, C, A, B, C. Yes, whatever you want to write as angles, yes, we should write the vertices or the letter vertices at the middle of the 2 letters, okay, which one comes before and which comes after the angles or the vertices. then after, okay, then after we should leave the first letter. That means here in the first angle there is given A at first, so we should leave the first and then after start from the second, that means B. So and we only take 3 letters to write the angles. Yes, so here we should leave A, then we have B, C, and we should again take other, yes, which comes after. Yes, so after C there is D, so we should write B, C, D. Yes, in the same way, okay, again we should, okay, left the front, okay, of the C, that means the letter which is before the angle C, that means we should forget B, or and okay, or we should leave the B and start with C, C, D, and other letter is A. That means the letter which comes after is A. Then after again we should, okay, we have 1, 2, 3 angles, but the property of, in the property of square we can find that it has 4 angles, but here we have written only 3 angles, so we need to write again 1 angles. Okay, for that also we should leave the first letter, that means C, of the angles, and then we can find the other angles. Then and angle, we should start from D, so D, A, and which one comes? B. So D, A, B, or B, A, D, we can write these both. Yes, so in this way students we can find, okay, the name, or we can write the name of a square given figure, in the same way of the sides of a square, in the same way vertices of squares, in the same way, okay, angles of a square. So I hope you are understanding, okay, these things, okay, and this is also important for you, okay, so be careful while learning, okay, or while listening, okay. Now this is the time to assign your homeworks. Yes, so your homework is like this. Write your homework carefully. Yes, in the first questions you have define a square and give any 4 names of things which are square in shape. Yes, in the same way, question number 2, write the name, side, vertices, and angles of the given square. Yes, and you have the question first. You should draw a square, okay, and give the name, okay, L, M, N, O, okay. Then after again you should draw other square for question number B and give the name by, okay, P, Q, R, S. Yes, P, Q, R, S. So students, here you have the questions. In question number first, define a square. Okay, you should define the square and then after give any 4 names of things which are squared in shapes. Yes. So here you should first you have to define a square, and then after you should give the name of any four things, yes, which is in a square shape, and then after in question number 2 you should write the name of the given figures, squares, and sides, vertices, and angles, yes, from these given figures. Yes. After this all, okay, now this is the time to leave the program here, or class 2. Okay, so here I would like to thank you all, okay, because because of listening and watching our programs. Okay, in the same way I would like to thank our technician friends, okay, BN Chaudhary sir, for technical support. Okay, by saying this much, I would like to leave the class today. Okay, take care, keep listening. Radio Madras Masla 106.4 megahertz. Okay, bye bye.
रेडियो मधेश मसला टाइम चेक, रात के 11 बजल है।
जन जन के मन से उठी आवाज।